Hi YouTubers, yeah, I'm in my scruffs, not had a shave or anything. I'm painting. No welding, which is a shame. It's just, I've got my wire, that's cool. But for the life of me, I can't pick any nice spoons or forks up anywhere. I normally get them from the charity shops, but no one's got any in. So I'll keep on the hunt and I will be back trying to make that jackdaw. Right, so Adlands, I'm bored. So what I've started doing is I've gone, Harry Potter. Harry Potter. And magically, yeah, right. Yeah, right. I got last week. I hunted out a small pair of dresser drawers, like a miniature one, and I've done it all Harry Potter style. It was pretty interesting to do, and by the magic. So, one miniature dresser, Harry Potter style. Really enjoyed doing this. I think about the hardest part was doing that colour. I used like a light cream, and then I got some acrylic brown and just stained it with a sponge and took the excess off until I thought it looked about right. And that's like grey and white, if I remember, the bottom one, and like a reddy colour on top, and that was it, and just painted the stripes on. The stripes were kind of difficult for me to get straight. I know there's ways around it, but I did it freehand. Not much preparation, didn't even sand it down. I just got some black acrylic paint. You can get that from the pound shop. It's just that. Biggish tube. So, I've gone for the second set of drawers. And, yeah, so I've got two of the drawers outside. I've sprayed one with primer, and I've hit it with light red. I think I'm going to have to try and get it a bit darker though, looking at this one. And this again, all I did was give it a wipe down, hit it with acrylic paint, and when it's done like this one, just spray it with clear lacquer, and job done. So I'll have a couple of Harry Potter dresses when I've finished. Right, okay, thanks for watching, and I'll get back to you when I start putting the drawers in and stuff. Hopefully I can work out how to make the handles bigger. I'm not sure. The handles on these, that's just a piece of leather and a piece of strip metal going through the top. Again, just that gardening wire that you can get, that green stuff, wrapped in leather, and a couple of little plastic things I found lying around for the ends. Same again, leather, but cut the leather out, wrapped it round it, made it rounded, just painted a couple of silver dots on there. But yeah, all the hinges were 3D printed. My friend made those for me, so not sure where I'm going with the next one, as in hinge wise, but we'll see. Right, okay, catch you soon. Have a lovely day and weekend to come.